help me check on the worms? The worms! We're gonna check on them. Okay, so it's been 1 full week since the worms were fed. I have not checked on them, peeked, anything. I did have to move them because our house is getting some work done. Wally's doing a apparently perimeter check on them, but this will be the longest time that they've been fed and undisturbed and unchecked on. So I'm really excited to see what's in there. All right, Wally, we gotta check on the top layer first, okay? Okay. Dun dun dun. Okay. Other than like a little guy roaming around, looks fairly uneventful up here. I don't know, Wally, what do you think? Let's open the windows a little bit so we can see. Don't see a lot of activity in here, so that's good. I'm glad they're not migrating yet. It means they're still happy down below. Does it smell? I did notice as I was putting the cover back on that there were more guys on the top, and then there are quite a few more guys in the bottom portion. So let's see how they did with their food. You done checking on them? You gonna help me? Okay. Oops, forgot to take a peel off. How they doing, Wally? They look good in here? Okay, we gotta look in. Okay, you're gonna help? Alright, let's just peel back a little bit, see how they're doing. I see some worms. What do you see, Wally? You see some smellies? I guess you can't see smellies, but maybe you do. I don't know. Yeah, you helping real good. Maybe too good. Alright, so there's clearly a lot of food. Oh, Wally, careful. You want to stick your head in the worms? You're helping with the worms. I know, you're doing a good job, but okay. Okay. Don't eat it, please. You just might have eaten a worm. Okay, I'll tell you what, you back up. Oh, please don't eat a worm. Okay. The worms gave you the sneezies? Okay, you know, you're not helping as much as you normally do. Okay. We're just gonna wait for this to pass. Wally! No, are you trying to eat the worms' foods? Those are the worms' foods. You were trying to eat their food? That's rude. Okay. Where were we? Checking on the worms. Okay. Looks like... I'm trying to decide if I should feed them again or let them carry on. Because there's, like, this is a banana peel, which is pretty substantial. There's still some shreds. Oh, wow. Look at this big party down here, you guys. Wow. Okay. A lot of food still in here. Let's see. What's this side looking like? Since there's still a lot of food in the middle, and the food that I have for this week is honestly a little lighter than normal, I kind of want to try feeding them off to the side where I haven't fed them for a while, so they kind of have to migrate a little bit. So I'm building a little trench here, but there's a remarkable number of dudes over here, and dudettes, I suppose. But I think this trench probably a little big, if anything, because this is all I have for this week. I've been a little busy not making as much food. Excuse me. Hello, Wally. Hello, Wally. Wally, if you back up, please. Thank you. Good boy. I think we're just gonna put what we can in that hole right there. Yeah, this week was a pretty light week for us. We ate a lot of leftovers, got to go probably too many times. Wally's helping. Oh boy. Wait. I don't want you to eat this, silly. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Get out of my stinky food. Thank you. I don't want your face to be stinky. Alright, so there's some potato peels. Hold on a second. Wally's just getting real excited today about taking care of the worms. Oh yeah, we had another peach that we got that is a little bit past its prime, unfortunately. And so there's some banana peels in there, some zucchini, some potato scraps. I don't know, not a whole lot, but I think there's a lot of liquidy stuff in here. So I definitely see that this part that I dug up is pretty wet, but this cardboard over here is, like, I can tell when I'm poking at it that it's moist, but I wouldn't say it's saturated. And like I've said in other videos, if you've been following along, I try to cover up all of the food to not completely deter, but it'll slow down any bugs or any other things, I think, and it also helps with the smell. So if you've missed the other videos, I've been keeping this bag on hand, and I'm just kind of refilling it as I go with just shredded packaging paper, cardboard boxes. I have some old paper towels in here. I'm just going to take a handful or two of this and shove it on the top. Alright, so just because the paper towel's on top, I think I'm just going to spread that over the edges over here, and then I'll put some over there once I've covered it. But I'm not taking too much, like just a little handful here. We'll start with that, because I definitely want them to have plenty of bedding. I think I'll take a little bit more. Here we go. And then I'm just going to spread this paper towel kind of over the top. Just let it kind of soak in there. And then, like I normally do, I want you guys to kind of see, so you know how full this bottom layer is. I'd say this is definitely more full. Usually the middle is fuller. And I would say, I think the last few feedings overall have been fuller. But I don't know that that's, I mean, I'm definitely feeding them less on this one, but I think on the past two big feedings like this, I've put a lot more fresh greens like parsley or whatever herb scraps that I had, and spinach, which I think kind of adds some bulk to it. But right now, not completely full, but pretty darn close. So I'm just going to keep on letting them munch away on this stuff, and then see how we do.